Hello everyone and welcome to the demonstration on BricsCAD Lite. Today we will see the parametric capabilities of BricsCAD Lite. To show you, let us take an example of a plate having a certain holes. Change the spacing between the holes as we change the length. Now to show you that, let me create a rectangle 0, 0, 0 having a length of say 500 and a height of say around 200. Once the geometry is created, let us constrain this geometry, saying the given below line is a horizontal line and it is perpendicular to the vertical line. Same constraints applied to the opposite direction, and the above line is an horizontal line. Let us add dimensional constraint to the geometry. Let's select the above line, horizontal line with the dimensions around 500, added with the abbreviation D1, and the vertical line with an abbreviation of D2. But go ahead and change this abbreviation to meaningful name. Let's say it is length and the T2 is the height. Now let us create a hole by creating a circle at a corner having a distance like 20, 20 by 0, and the radius of the circle is let's say 10. Now let us constrain this geometry circle by adding a radial dimensions to the geometry and applying the spacing distance. So horizontal spacing distance is, and the vertical spacing distance is around 20. You can go ahead and array this circle. So can change the number of rows. I would like to have 2, and the distance between the rows, say 200 minus 40, it's around 160. And for now, this, and we'll get out of the command. On the right hand side in the parametric manager panel, we'll see the parameters defined here. Now let us add 2 more parameters for a hole spacing. And quantity of hole. Now this hole spacing is nothing but a column spacing. Let's add this expression. And as you see, I added the expression value has changed to 1 as because hole spacing value is 1. So for timing, let's change it to 40, and the quantity of hole is nothing but the columns. I'll add this value column. So that's how I have linked the user parameters with the system build parameters. Now the quantity of the hole is 1 as the expression is 1. So let's change it to 8, and the geometry updates accordingly. So it's working fine. Now let's go ahead and add a hole spacing. So my hole spacing is equal to length minus 40 divided by QT by hole minus 1. and here we have full place as per our formula. Let's say there are some modification had come up in the drawing and we need to update this plate location. And let's say we want to, instead of having a length of 500, we need to have a plate of, then it is a tedious job when we do it in a 2D drawing. We need to stretch the rectangle and then place the holes, make use of couple of commands and then adjust the whole space accordingly. But with the parametric driven tray, we just need to change just one parameters and whole geometry will get updated accordingly. So here I change the parameter length to 600 and then whole will update. So this is the parametric capabilities of BricsCAD Lite. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.